Hi guys, welcome back to the class. So in this class now we are looking at midpoints, the midpoint of a line. Now we have from our dimensional plane, if we have y-axis, we have the x-axis. Now we have x1 and x2. We are having y1, y1, y2. Now we are looking for the midpoint. Now if we now have 2 points where we should join this point to this point, join this, the broken line. So we are having a location, which is location A. So let me join this point to this point and complete this to form a right angle triangle. Now the distance between here and here, we have y2 minus y1 when we are calculating for distance between 2 points. But here we are looking for the midpoint, the middle point on y and x axis. So for me to get the midpoint between here and here, it means I'm adding y2 plus y1 over what? Over 2. I have to divide by 2. I will add the value here plus this value, then divide by 2. So the same thing applies to this place. We have x2 plus what? x1 over what? Then we can say that the midpoint of a line is given as midpoint, right? Midpoint equals to x2 plus x1. We have x2 plus x1 over what? Over 2. y2 plus y1 over what? Over 2. So this is the formula for calculating the midpoints of a line. So if you are to trace this now, you can trace this to the middle of this line. Likewise this. So this point is our midpoint. The middle point of the line AB. Call it AB. So take note that the formula for midpoints, when you are given the coordinates of the two location or points, you are having midpoints because to x2, you add x2 plus s1 over what? Over 2, comma, y2 plus what? y1 over 2 to form a coordinate. Thanks for watching this video. In the next class, we'll be solving questions on midpoints. See you in the next class.